Petra was founded over 2000 years ago along the ancient trade routes between Arabia, Egypt, and the Mediterranean Sea. As a center for trade, the capital became very wealthy and powerful. The story of Petra begins with a group of Arabian nomads called the Nabateans. As nomads, they moved from place to place, living off the land and herding camels, sheep, and goats. Over time, their sharp survival skills and knowledge of the desert helped the Nabateans become successful traders. They gained control of the important trade routes that moved spices and incense from Arabia to Egypt. The Nabateans were experts at surviving in the desert because they knew how to collect and distribute water. An impressive system of rock-cut channels and underground water pipes carried water from permanent springs and seasonal streams. Controlling trade routes, Petra began as the main stopping point for Nabatean and foreign traders. Later, Rome ruled Petra for the next 300 years, tying the fate of the ancient city to the empire. Eventually, Rome moved the center of trade north. The city's power as a trade center had been falling. In AD 363, Petra suffered another blow when a massive earthquake destroyed many of the city's buildings and its water supply system. By AD 700, only few people lived in and around Petra. Over time, the city was lost to the outside world. More than 500 years would pass before the ancient city was rediscovered by Western explorers. The Sikh is the main entrance. It is a dim, narrow gorge and winds its way approximately 1.2 km and ends at Petra's most elaborate ruin, Al Khazina. Al Khazina is one of the most elaborate temples in Petra. It is one of the most popular tourist attractions in both Jordan and the region. Ad-Dir is a monumental building carved out of rock. It is the second most commonly visited monument in Petra. The monastery is located high in the hills northwest of the Petra city center. An open stadium where 8,000 people could sit and high temples are famous. Petra has also been referred as the Rose City because of the color of the stones used in its buildings. Vehicles are not allowed in this city, but you can use camels, horses, and donkeys to get here. In 1985, Petra was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In 2007, it was also named one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Guys, if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe for more interesting facts. Thank you.